We stand at the precipice of a new era, a time of unprecedented change and opportunity. Humanity, once scattered across continents and cultures, is now interconnected like never before. Technology has dissolved borders and bridged oceans, creating a seamless flow of information and ideas. This is the dawn of planetary consciousness, where our collective awareness transcends geographical limitations. Our world is no longer defined by physical boundaries, but by the connections we forge. We are linked by a digital web, woven from data and driven by algorithms, enabling instant communication and collaboration. This interconnectedness is reshaping our understanding of ourselves, our societies, and our place in the cosmos. Just as our ancestors looked to the stars and recognized their place in the vast universe, we now look around and see a global community. We are bound by shared challenges and aspirations, working together to create a better future for all. The future beckons us to embrace this new reality, to harness its potential, and to build a world where everyone can thrive. At the heart of this transformation lies artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is not merely a tool, it is an orchestrator of change. It analyzes vast datasets, identifies patterns, and offers solutions to problems that have long plagued humanity. Global communication networks powered by AI connect us instantaneously. We share information, ideas, and cultures at an unprecedented pace. This interconnectedness fuels innovation, fosters collaboration, and expands our collective knowledge. Smart cities are emerging as hubs of interconnectedness, using AI to optimize resource allocation, improve infrastructure, and enhance the quality of life for their residents. These urban centers are microcosms of the future, demonstrating the transformative potential of a connected world. The benefits of planetary consciousness are manifold. Collaborative problem-solving becomes the norm. Scientists, researchers, and policymakers from across the globe can work together in real time to address urgent challenges like climate change, pandemics, and poverty. Resource management is optimized. AI can analyze consumption patterns, predict shortages, and facilitate the equitable distribution of essential resources like food, water, and energy. Cultural exchange flourishes in a connected world. We gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the diversity of human experience, breaking down barriers and fostering empathy.